In this YouTube tutorial, you'll learn step-by-step how to sell products online using MyDeme.com. To get started, you must first sign up for a MyDeme.com account. Next, select a product or niche. MyDeme.com offers free accounts for resellers and access to hundreds of exclusive products with discounts of up to 50%. MyDeme.com offers two options for distribution. Drop shipping or direct-to-consumer is one option. You can send products directly to your customer. This is a great option for beginners or sellers with limited storage space. Another option is to ship inventory to your home or business. This includes shipments made to Amazon distribution centers. MyDeme.com makes it easy to sell products online or directly to consumers, offering exclusive products backed by a 100% money-back guarantee and U.S. customer support. Thanks for watching. For more ways to grow your business, please like, share, and subscribe.